In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Forex, Forex. By the end, you'll know how to log in, find the Forex market on the platform, analyze a currency chart, and place a trade with clear risk controls. First, log into your Forex.com account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the Markets section. From there, select Forex. This is where all the currency pairs live, and it's the starting point for choosing what you want to trade. Next, choose a currency pair to focus on. Popular examples include EUR-USD, GBP-USD, and USD-JPY. These are called major pairs, and they typically have tighter spreads and plenty of liquidity, which can make them a good place to start. Click the pair you're interested in to open its chart. Now take a moment to analyze the chart. Look at how price has been moving. Is it trending up, trending down, or moving sideways? Adjust the time frame to suit your plan. Shorter time frames for quick trades, longer ones for a broader view. Before you trade, consider using built-in indicators or drawing tools. Simple moving averages can help you gauge trend direction, while support and resistance lines mark areas where price has reacted before. Drawing a trend line or marking a recent high or low can give you clear reference points. Keep it simple. Clarity is more helpful than clutter. When you're ready to act, decide whether you think price will rise or fall. Click Buy if you expect the price to go up, or click Sell if you expect it to go down. This sets up your trade ticket. In the trade ticket, set your trade size, also known as the lot size. Make sure it matches your account size and risk tolerance. Next, add a stop loss. This is your safety net. If the market moves against you, the stop loss helps cap the loss at a level you can accept. Then add a take profit. This is where the platform will lock in gains if price reaches your target. Placing both a stop and a target up front helps you trade with a plan rather than emotion. Before you finalize, review everything on the order ticket: pair, direction, lot size, stop loss, and take profit. When it all looks right, click Place Trade to confirm. The order will appear in your Positions or Orders panel, where you can monitor it and make adjustments if needed. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to the Forex market, chosen a pair, analyzed the chart, placed a trade, set your risk and reward, and confirmed your order. Trade thoughtfully, keep your charts clean, and always use risk controls.